like the V6 engine. What do you like about the handling?
It is March 31st, 2013. It is Easter Sunday, and for some strange reason, there is a hole in the roof of this car. And the kitty fell into the hole. And this is not his car either, so the owner of this car might not be very happy. Apollo, what are you doing? What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do? Oops. That's not the way to get out. What are you doing? Oh, now we gotta check out the back seat. Uh-oh, that's not the way to get out. What are you gonna do, Paulo? Hi. How you get out of the car, Pig? Paulo, let's hop out. Oh, he did it! Congratulations, Paulo. Hey, Luce. Hi, Sebastian. Sabby, look at me. Hi, Bonnie. Oh, Lucy, look pretty. Oh, that's pretty. That's so handsome, Sabby. Paulo, Robin is going to be so mad at you, Pig.